Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick. Welcome to the Craft Your Joy classroom and welcome to Blobs to Blooms. This class is going to be so much fun. We are going to take a deeper dive into a lot of different watercolor techniques, and we are going to turn blobs of watercolor into beautiful blooms. I also have a personal story that I'm going to be sharing in this class that inspired the violas that we're going to paint. In this class, you will learn how to turn watercolor blobs into beautiful viola blooms. We'll take a deeper dive into watercolor paints, papers, brushes and supplies, simple shapes and design composition for beautiful bouquets. We'll also talk about working with a limited number of watercolors, and I'm going to take a deeper dive into how the watercolor pigments work and flow. We'll cover 4 essential techniques that will help your paintings glow. We're going to cover wet and wet watercolor blobbing, layering and glazing techniques to get the glow in your paintings, bold to blend to bleed technique, which is one of my super favorite techniques. And we'll finish up with texture and finishing techniques to polish off the whole design composition. I'll demystify and walk you through each technique step by step before we start painting the final project together. You can paint beautiful viola bouquets that flow and glow. Watercolor is my favorite medium, and I know it can be challenging sometimes to work with it. I'm here to help you have more fun and experience more joy with watercolor. May you find pause from the hustle, pure joy and inspiration here. Welcome. Let's get started and have some fun.